This message is brought to you by Nathan Leckie.
Oh, you startled me. Hi, my name is Nathan Leckie, and I am running for student body president. Come with me. Forrest Gump smiled once said, "Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. But with me, you can always expect the best."
Why should you vote me? Good question. I believe that my organization skills, my determination, and my hard work will lead us to a new and exciting school year. At Churchill, we are a big family, and we are far from perfect, but with a little more enthusiasm, we can all make a change.
As president, I want to promote more enthusiasm at this school by having better assemblies and by promoting more events. You have to go anyways, why not enjoy yourself? Another thing I want to do as president is to promote more activities at Churchill. What I found this year is that there are a ton of great activities at the school, but the problem is they are not promoted well, so half the kids don't know that these activities are actually going on. Whether it be sporting activities, fine arts activities, or even helping out with things like student council, I want more kids to be involved, and I will do my best to try promoting as many activities as I can. A recent study shows that with more participation, there is more graduation.
Also, what I want to mention is that me and Michaela and I had decided that next year, if both elected, we want to create something called a suggestion box, where after certain events like assemblies, anybody can send us their feedback of what they liked and what they didn't like. So if you didn't like something, tell us, and we won't focus on it too much. But what you really like, tell us, and we'll try to focus on that, so everybody has a great time.
Vote me, Nathan Leckie, student body president. Our time is now.